Hello everyone. Here I am solving the question number 10 of your NCERT exercise 3.3, chapter number 3, trigonometric functions. Okay, so here we are copying the left hand side, sine n plus 1 x sine n plus 2 x plus cos n plus 1 x cos n plus 2 x. Okay, so this is your left hand side. From this given equation, we can think this is a formula of this type: sin A sin B plus cos A cos B, and the formula of this will be sin A plus B. No, this is not a formula. This is a formula of cos A minus B. Fine. So as you can compare this with this, okay, so both are same. Your A is this one and your B is this one. Fine. Again, your A is this and B is this. So we have to convert this into this one. So this is a general formula actually. This is a what? This is a general formula. So we have to convert this into this. So I will write cos. Your A is this n plus 1 x minus, this is your B, n plus 2 x bracket close. Okay, now cos, you have to insert x, nx plus x minus nx minus 2x. Side by side I am multiplying this n by x, 2 by x, and just I am changing the sign also, because outside of this bracket there is a negative sign, so you have to change all the sign. This will be negative and this would be negative. Okay, this nx and nx will cancel out and you will get cos x minus 2x. Fine, so this would be cos minus x, and as you know that cos minus theta, this is bracket, that is equals to cos theta. So you have to apply this formula here and you will get cos x. So which is your RHS? So LHS is equals to RHS, hence proved. Got it? So this is your question number 10. Got it? Okay. Now this is your question number 11. Okay, so we have to use this side and we have to prove this one. So here is a solution. So I am taking left hand side first. So I will write cos 3 pi by 4 plus x minus cos 3 pi by 4 minus x. So this is your LHS. Okay, from this data you can think which formula you have to apply. So cos A minus cos B, it is of this type. So the formula of this is minus 2 sine A plus B by 2 sine A minus B by 2. Okay, so this is a general formula which you have to apply in this question. Got it? So your A is this whole, your B is this whole. Fine. This is your, if you compare these two, this is cos A. So cos A means this angle is your A and this is your B. Fine. And you have to convert into this. So I'm writing -2 sine. Okay, -2 sine A plus B. A means this whole angle. 3 pi by 4 plus x. This is your A plus this is your B. 3 pi by 4 minus x. And this whole divided by 2. Okay. Into again sine A minus B now. 3 pi by 4 plus x minus 3 pi by 4 minus x. Okay, this one, and this whole upon 2. Wait, this whole will be in this bracket. Actually I have to extend this bracket because 2 is also in the angle. Okay, like this. Now -2 sine, if you'll open the bracket, this x and x will cancel out. Okay, so 3 pi by 4 plus 3 pi by 4, that would be 6 pi by 4 whole upon 2. Okay, now sine, if you will open the bracket, this x will be positive and this term will cancel, this and this term will cancel out, and this is x, this would be plus x because minus sign is outside. So you will write 2x whole upon 2. Got it? 2x क्यों? Because this is your x and this is your minus x, so this would be 2x. So x and x will cancel out. In the next step, -2 sine, this is 6 pi by 4 into, you have to write 1 by 2 because I'm just reciprocating it. So this 2 and 2, this will cancel out, this will give you 3, and this is your sine x. After solving, this is -2 sine, this will be 3 pi by 4 into sine x. Okay, now here I am this is your equation, 3 pi by 4 sine x. I have just written the previous step here. Okay, so we have to find out the value of sine 3 pi by 4. So here I am finding sine 3 pi by 4 means it is 180 by 4. At a place of pi I am putting 180. This would be 45. Sine 135. Sine 135 is sine 90 plus 45. So this will give you sine cos 45. Okay, so the formula of this you have to apply here. The formula I am writing, general formula I am writing here, sine 90 plus theta, that is equals to cos theta. This is a general formula which I have applied this here. Okay, so cos 45 would be 1 by √2. Okay, after solving this, you will get this, and the value of this is 1 by √2. So at a place of this, I am writing 1 by √2. So -2 into 1 by √2, that is equal to sine. After solving, you will get this step, and this 2 and √2 will cancel out, and here in numerator you will get -√2. okay, into sine x. So which was your right hand side? Hence LHS is equals to RHS, hence proof. So this is how you can solve question number 11. Okay.